In this quick tip, I'm going to show you what to do if your Geely app stops responding. Sometimes your Geely app might stop responding and syncing with the car. This could be because there's a wider issue with Geely, but more often than not, what we found is that there just seems to be a miscommunication between the app and the car itself. So one thing that you can try and do is do a network reset on your car. Doing this usually fixes a problem. I'm just going to show you how you do that. So if we come over to the screen and we click on vehicle and we scroll all the way down to my vehicle. In here, this is where we've got things around for updating and all that good stuff. But if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom, you'll see a network reset button. Press this and you'll notice that you get a grayed out symbol for network reset while it's happening. And what this will do is it'll to get rid of your 4G signal at the top, and it'll just do a reset on everything. Once that comes back, try the app again, see if it's working. And if it's still not, probably best first to check on one of our Facebook groups, see if anybody else is having the issue, and then if not, contact Geely for support. I hope this has been useful. If it has, make sure you give us a subscribe and a thumbs up. See you next time.